you're going to design your own East Asian seal, or it could be an American seal, but we're still using the idea that you sign your work using a relief print. Now what I did is I just sort of brainstormed for ideas. So I went on the internet, and my last name is Hafner, which is German for a very particular kind of stove. But I just looked for a translation of stove, and that would be the Chinese characters for stove. And if I were going to go with that, I would need to simplify it because these would be simplified. I also like cats, and I often use cat imagery for my signature. So I looked up the symbol, the character for cat, which would be there. And it's M-A-O, Mao. I like that. But what I decided to go with was, first I signed my name, and then I stylized it. And I just let my mind kind of wander. I ended up with this, which combines cat with my name, H-A-F-N-E-R. And that was too big, so I made it smaller. That was still too big, so I made it smaller yet. So there's my final design. But remember, when we do relief type printing, it reverses the image. So I took a pencil, and on the back, I put pencil, and we can make our seal round, oval, square, rectangle, it doesn't really matter. But what I ended up doing was transferring my design onto a piece of newsprint. And to do that, I take a ballpoint pen, I trace the outlines there with that pencil on the back. In the old days, that would be like carbon paper. And I trace my design. Once I do that, which gives me this, then I turned it over and I could see the design on the back. So this is reversed. Here's my forward image, which I made by putting pencil on the back and transferring it onto a sheet of newsprint. And there it is, but I have to reverse it, so this is reversed. And so now I really don't have to reverse it again, because all I need to do now is take my ballpoint pen and trace this firmly onto a sheet of styrofoam. The styrofoam is soft and it will accept the image. If you're afraid that it will move, put some tape, pull it down. If it does move, your design isn't going to show the way you want it to. And when I am finished transferring it, I will double check my image, make sure that I don't need to deepen some of my lines. I'll lift this up just a little bit. And there it is. I am going to fix it up a little bit, and I'm going to cut the outside. I think I would like mine to be shaped like an oval. And then I'll print it using traditional relief printing techniques.